What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be doing a low taper on one of my friends from school. He has some like pretty coarse hairs, so I thought it'd be a good idea to record this one. So let's get right into it. So I'm gonna first go ahead and start off by combing the hair through. Not through the whole head, but through the main part where I'm gonna be tapering. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and set in my first guideline. Now, I hadn't used these slim lines in a while, and the time that I do use them, watch what happens. Y'all see that right there? My trimmers had pulled his hair, and for some reason I thought it was a little hair, and I had brushed it through, saw that it was blood. And I think it might be the ceramic blade. Ever since I put that ceramic blade on my slim lines, it's been pulling hair. So I think I might take that off and put it back to my regular blade. Now don't worry, y'all. I do dab it off, clean it up, and then I get back to the haircut. After the haircut, I do use my Cool Care, my Andy's Cool Care, to clean off my clippers, let it soak for 10 minutes, and then rub it off. So I am a clean barber. Don't think I'm a dirty barber. I did clean it off. And real quick, shout out to Louis. Popped up in the video without me even knowing. Shout out to him. Alright, y'all, so back with my wall detailers. I'm gonna go back in and just touch up that line, bald it out, and go in with my box shaver. Alright, next step, I get my reflections with the lever all the way open and go up about 1/2 inch. Now go ahead and close the lever all the way, flick at that bottom line. Remember, as you go higher, you're gonna open up your lever. Alright, so our next guideline, you're 1 all the way open and go up about another 1/2 inch. Alright, so now you close it and you soften up that bottom line to get ready for a half guard. Now with our half guard, we're gonna open all the way and close it just a little bit, as you can see right there, and you start flicking at that line. Yeah, there's so much in this video I didn't know I got. Here's one of my other friends, Charles, flashing a baby picture of me from a Snapchat filter. So shout out Charles too. Alright, for our last guard, we're gonna use our 1.5 all the way open and take out the last piece of bulk we have. After that, that pretty much sums up the side of the taper. Now we'll go ahead and line them up on the side and get to the back taper. Alright, so I'm gonna set up my first guideline in the back with my trimmers, trying to stay as neat as possible. Now we set on our next guideline with my clipper all the way open, going up about 1/2 inch to 1 inch up. I usually do this second, but in this case I did it third. I get my box shaver and clean up everything on the bottom. Now with your lever closed, go ahead and flick out that bottom line, and as you go up, open up your lever. Again, with our one guard all the way open, we go up about 1/2 inch to 1 inch up. Now we close the lever all the way and flick at that bottom line. Remember, it's just to soften it up the line, it's not to take it all the way out. Now with our half guard halfway, you're gonna go ahead and flick at that line and it should blend right in. Now with my 1.5 guard all the way open, in a flicking motion, I use it to sculpt the rest of the hair, and pretty much blends in. finish up the back, I'm gonna just line up the sides and move on to my left taper. So the left side's pretty much like the right side, obviously. So I'm gonna go ahead and let this run, and I'll see y'all once it's done. That's gonna pretty much wrap up the cut, y'all. I'm gonna just clean him off, clean up his neck, blade him up. I did his eyebrows, and I'll show y'all the finished look. Alright YouTube, that is the cut. I did add in those lines on the side. But if you liked it, please leave a like, comment, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you on the next one.